Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how I put on my Invisalign trays and also show you that Invisalign does actually work on crowded teeth. So this is the box my trays come in. This is my second set of trays because the first set were not fitting correctly. These are what the trays look like. I have the top and the bottom. So this is how they look on my teeth. I got the top and the bottom on, and I have attachments which the trays fit onto. And then I just pushed them down on my teeth so that they could fit snug. The first set that I had didn't fit as snug, so I had to have them remeasured. My journey began in April 2022. I went to 2 orthodontists prior to my current one, and they both recommended braces instead, but my preference was Invisalign, so I wasn't going to take no for an answer. So when I take them out, my usual routine is to wash them and then store them in the tray container. And I use Listerine Total Care, which is supposed to kill bacteria, and I store them in there until I'm ready to use them again. So it's been less than 2 years and I've seen a big difference coming from this to this until the process is complete. So yes, Invisalign works on crowded teeth in some cases. Just find you a good orthodontist who will break down the process. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more updates.